And some benzes. Or we can grab some.
A lot of Russian people are not really friendly. So they don't greet you, they don't say goodbye. They look all the time like, I don't want to talk with you. And even if I want to buy something in their store, they act not really friendly. Most of them, I would say.
What I would find nice was English description of the Kremlin, because everything was in Cyrillic and nothing was in English.
In the bus, there is an English voice telling you what the next station is. It's really good service. And on the street there are a lot of maps where you can see how long you have to go to get somewhere.
Yeah.
It's a really good service. Then they have.
So it's a half friendly for tourists, but the atmosphere is very good. So maybe English menu for restaurant is good for tourists, because I can read a bit Russian a bit, but probably many Japanese can't.
На самом деле люди тут хорошие, в принципе, и в магазинах, и в кафешках. И так, в принципе, видеть вроде бы грубого слова просто так не скажешь.
Адаптированные вещи для туристов в качестве туристических экскурсий побольше. Ну, не таких дорогих, как есть сейчас, потому что мы посмотрели. То есть, бюджетные для студентов, удобные. Юлар яхше, кстати, да.
Мы на машине приехали.
Да, машина келдик, да. Юлар яхше, бывает, да, заторлар бар, потому что ишлилер анда бик күп. Шлай, да, нормально.
Экскурсиялар кыйммәт дисез, деме?
Әлдә, бактык инде, Настя бар, күпме тора, но не согласна пока.
Yeah, I like it because also the other street was really nice because people is just laying there, restaurants are near, also music, so it's really cool. And I love how, the atmosphere. And I love how it looks right now at this time. How are the lights there? It's really amazing. The lake, I love it. It's super hot here, but it's really good.
You want a menu in restaurant in English? Is it?
Yeah. To understand every dish, what that dish is made from, so we can try your things. We can be like, oh, I don't have this. I will try it.